In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a bank account to PayPal. This is a crucial part of managing your online transactions effectively, whether you're running a business or just handling your personal finances. So let's dive right in and get that bank account linked up. First, you'll want to head over to the PayPal website. You can easily do this by typing paypal.com into your browser or clicking on the PayPal icon if you have it bookmarked or pinned as a shortcut. Once you're on the PayPal homepage, you'll need to log into your account as this process requires access to your personal account settings. Look for the login button, which is usually prominently displayed on the upper right corner of the screen. Click it and you'll be prompted to enter your email or mobile number along with your password. Make sure to double check that your details are correct to avoid any login issues. After successfully signing in, PayPal might prompt you to verify your identity for added security. Typically, they offer you the option to receive a verification code via text message or through WhatsApp based on the information you've provided in your account settings. Choose your preferred method by clicking Get a Text or Get a WhatsApp text, and follow the instructions to complete the verification step. This extra layer of security helps protect your account from unauthorized access. Once the verification is done, you should find yourself on the PayPal homepage. Here you'll see a snapshot of your account activity, recent transactions, and notifications. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if needed. Now direct your attention to locating the Add Card or Bank option. This is where you'll begin the process of linking your bank account. It's usually tucked somewhere near your account summary section or accessible through a quick menu or profile settings icon. Take a moment and click on it. Next, you will be given two options, Add a Card or Add a Bank. Naturally, for our purpose today, you will select Add a Bank. You'll then need to enter your bank account details. This typically includes your bank's routing number and your personal account number. Be sure to have your bank information handy and carefully enter the details to prevent errors. Once you've input everything correctly, submit the information. PayPal will then initiate the verification process to confirm the validity of the bank account you've added. This might involve small verification deposits sent to your bank account, which you'll need to confirm back on PayPal, so watch for those transactions over the next few days. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you've successfully added a bank account to your PayPal account. Remember, maintaining the connectivity between your bank and PayPal ensures smooth transactions while keeping your financial activities streamlined and secure. Thanks for watching, and feel free to leave any questions or comments below.